How to fix Instagram profile not showing post. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget the network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, you can enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network and thus might fix your issue. Launch your Instagram and check whether posts are available or not. Next thing you want to do is restart the app, force close the Instagram app and reopen it. This might fix your issue. Now next thing you want to do is launch your Instagram, log out and log in back. So navigate to the profile page, go to settings and activity page, scroll down, click on log out, click on log out. Then provide your credentials and again log in back. With that, your post might be available. Likewise, next thing you want to do is completely delete Instagram app from your device. Press and hold on it. Select remove app. Click on delete app. Click on delete. Launch App Store. Search for the app Instagram and then install it. If none of these solutions work, report a problem. For that, navigate to settings and activity page. Click on the option help. Click on report a problem. Click on report problem without shaking. Click on don't include and continue. And here, briefly explain about the issue and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. Following the steps, you'll be good to go. Your post will be available on your Instagram feed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.